If you're
If you're
watching
watching
this video,
it's likely that
it's
you
likely that you or someone you love is facing the daily
challenges
challenges of living with diabetes.
You may be struggling
You
with
may be
constant
struggling with
cravings,
constant cravings,
energy
energy
crashes,
crashes,
and the stress of
managing
managing
blood sugar
It can feel
levels.
overwhelming,
It can
and no
feel
matter how much you
overwhelming,
try to eat
and no matter how
healthily
much
or
you try to
exercise,
eat
the
healthily
numbers on
or
your blood sugar
exercise,
monitor just
the
don't
numbers
seem
on
to
your blood
improve.
sugar
But
monitor
what
just
if I
don't
told
seem
you
to
there's a
improve.
simple, natural
But what if I
solution
told
that
you
could
there's a
help you
simple
regain
natural solution
control?
that could help you
Today,
regain control?
we're diving into
Today
an
we're diving into an
incredible
incredible homemade tea made with Gurmar
leaves,
leaves,
a
a powerful ingredient that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to help lower blood sugar levels.
Discover how
Imagine
easy
being
it
able
is
to
make
enjoy
this
a
tea and
delicious cup
potentially
of tea
transform your health
that
for the
not only
better.
tastes
Remember,
great, but can
you
also
don't
help
have to
support your
struggle
body's
alone.
natural
With the
ability
right
to
tools and
manage blood
support,
sugar levels.
you can overcome
This
the
tea
challenges
could
of
be the game
diabetes.
changer
Check
you've
out the
been
recipe
waiting
for the Gurmar tea
Now, I want to
and take the
emphasize
first
something
step
very
toward
important.
a healthier
If you're interested
future.
in this
However,
remarkable
I
tea
need to
and how
stress
to
the
prepare
importance
it,
of sourcing
I'll
your
be sharing
ingredients
the complete
carefully.
recipe and
For the best
instructions
results,
in the
you want
link
to ensure
below.
you're using high
Trust me,
quality
you don't
Gurmar
want to miss
leaves
out on
and
this
other natural
opportunity to
ingredients.
explore a
That's why I'm
potential
providing a
way
link in the
to ease
description
the
to a trusted
challenges of
source
type
where
2
you can find
diabetes.
everything you need to
Gurmar,
make this
also known
powerful
as
tea
Sugar
safely.
Destroyer,
People
is
who have
renowned for its
incorporated this
ability
tea
to
into
help
their
balance
daily
blood
routine
sugar
are sharing
levels.
incredible
This
stories
tea
about
harnesses
feeling
the
more
natural
balanced and
properties
in
of
control
Gurmar
of their blood
leaves,
sugar levels.
along with other
They've
beneficial
experienced fewer
ingredients,
cravings,
to
more
create a
energy,
soothing
and an
blend that
overall
can help
sense of
reduce
well-being that they
cravings and
thought was
stabilize
lost
your energy
forever.
throughout the
If you're
day.
ready to take a
But
step
before we
toward
get into
managing
the
your diabetes
details,
more effectively, I
let's talk
encourage you to
about
click
why
the
this
link in the
solution
description
is so
below.
unique.
Imagine being able to enjoy a
Gurmar
delicious
leaves
cup of
have
tea
been
that not
shown
only
in various
tastes great, but
studies
can
to help
also help
enhance
support your
insulin
body's natural
sensitivity
ability to manage
and
blood sugar
reduce
levels.
sugar
This
absorption in
tea
the
could
body.
be the game changer you've
This
been
means
waiting
that not
for.
only
Now,
can
I
this
want to
tea help
emphasize
control
something
your
very
cravings,
important. If
but it
you're
also
interested in
supports
this
your
remarkable
overall
tea
health
and how
in
to
managing
prepare it, I'll be
diabetes
sharing the complete
effectively.
recipe and
However, I
instructions
need
in
to
the link
stress the
below.
importance of
Trust me,
sourcing your
you don't want to
ingredients
miss out
carefully.
on
For the best
this
results,
opportunity
you want to ensure you're using
explore
high-quality
a
Gurmar
potential
leaves
way
and
to
other natural
ease the
ingredients.
challenges
That's
of
why I'm
type 2
providing a link in the
diabetes.
description to a
Gurmar,
trusted
also
source
known as Sugar
where you can
Destroyer,
find everything you
is
need to
renowned
make
for its
this
ability
powerful
to help
tea
balance
safely.
blood sugar
People
levels.
who have
This tea
incorporated this
harnesses
tea
the
into their
natural
daily
properties of
routine
Gurmar
are
leaves,
sharing
along with
incredible
other
stories
beneficial
about feeling
ingredients,
more
to
balanced
create a
and in
soothing
control of their
blend
blood
that
sugar
can help
levels.
reduce
They've
cravings and
experienced fewer
stabilize your
cravings,
energy
more
throughout the
energy,
day.
and an
But before we
overall
get into
sense
the
of
details, let's
well-being
talk
that
about
they thought
why
was
this
lost
solution is
forever.
so unique.
If you're ready to
Gurmar
take a
leaves
step
have been
toward
shown in
managing your
various studies to
diabetes
help
more
enhance
effectively,
insulin
I encourage
sensitivity
you to click
and
the
reduce
link in the
sugar
description
absorption in the
below.
body. This means
Discover
that
how easy
not
it
only
is to
can
make
this
this
tea
tea
help
and
control your
potentially
cravings,
transform your
but it
health
also
for the
supports your
better.
overall
Remember,
health
you
in
don't have
managing
to struggle
diabetes
alone.
effectively.